Happy birthday.
Thank you. I'm so glad you guys are back together.
We're not back together.
You're not?
No.
I mean, I was gonna say no, but why are you saying no?
Because we're not.
I know, but why do you sound so definitive about it?
I wasn't being definitive.
It sounded like it.
No, I mean, she just asked a question.
That you
so
didn't
I
have
was
to
just-
answer.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But you did.
I don't understand what we're arguing about.
You and your tone.
But we're not back together. Yet.
I mean, why not just say we're working it
You
out?
literally just said you were gonna say no.
Right, but that's me.
Meaning what?
Meaning that when I say it, it means something totally different than when you say it.
Okay. It might seem that way in your head, Maddie, but it's the same word.
Yeah, but it's also the speed with which you said no.
Give me a
It was
fucking
quick.
break.
It was.
It
It was like a
wasn't. No,
reflex.
it wasn't like a
It was like a
reflex at all. It
reflex.
wasn't like my
It was like his natural
No,
instinct,
it wasn't.
right?
It was hasty.
Oh,
You see?
You really think she's gonna disagree with you?
If I disagree with her, then I would.
Okay.
What? You don't think I have a mind of my own?
No, I'm sure you do.
Oh, he's such a cunt.
What the fuck is your problem?
You see, I'm not crazy, right? Because he's always trying to gaslight me.
Like, I don't want to argue about this.
You see, this is why I don't believe you when you make all these promises and you're like, oh, let's get back together. You're the only person in the world I care about. You're a goddess and it's my fault for not treating you like a goddess. I promise, Maddie, I'll change, I'll grow, I'll be better. I don't deserve you, but I love you.